Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your cam position sensor on an E38. I picked up this V&E Automotive cam position sensor from FCP Euro. I read the reviews and there was a lot of reviews stating that it did the job and it was just as good as OEM, and some even stating it was OEM just without the BMW markings on it. So let's pop our hood and see exactly what we're working with. You can see, if it's still equipped, the plastic cover that covers the engine. All you have to do is depress these 4 tabs and it will lift the cover right off. So on this engine, the left bank is the actual left, and you can see the cam position down in here. And all you will need to remove the position sensor is an H5 hex socket. Unbolt a couple bolts and remove your intake, and leave access right to the CPS. Alright, so we're using my Foxwell NT510. It's a decent scan tool for the price. Unfortunately, it doesn't really have a ton of functionality with the E38 for some reason, but I've had a lot of luck with it in the past on my other vehicles. But here are the fault codes that I got, and you can see right here, camshaft control, camshaft position sensor, all on bank 1, which is our left bank. So we're going to clear these codes, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, well, we don't have a check engine light anymore, but we'll have to see if that comes back. BMWs have long been said to be expensive to maintain and hard to work on, and I hope this video shows that even if it's just a cam position sensor, it's very easy to work on and relatively inexpensive. As always, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.